Thinking about a bathroom refresh? You've come to the right place. Your tiles can completely transform the space, and today we re-diving into the biggest and best bathroom tile trends that are taking over this year. Forget boring and basic. It's time to make a statement, so let's get inspired. First up, say goodbye to all white everything and hello to bold, beautiful color. We're seeing a huge move towards rich, saturated jewel tones. Imagine stepping into a shower surrounded by stunning emerald green tiles or a floor laid with deep sapphire blue. These colors create a luxurious, spa-like atmosphere that feels both dramatic and incredibly sophisticated. It's about creating a personal sanctuary that's bursting with personality. Next, let's talk texture. The trend is all about embracing natural, imperfect finishes. Handmade look tiles like traditional zellage tiles are incredibly popular. Their slight variations in color and texture add so much character and warmth. We're also seeing a lot of matte finishes and tiles with subtle tactile patterns. This trend is perfect for adding depth and a touch of organic, earthy style to your bathroom, making it feel grounded and serene. On the other side of the spectrum, we have the sleek and seamless look of large format tiles. Think massive single slabs of porcelain or stone covering your walls and floor. This creates a clean, minimalist aesthetic with very few grout lines, which not only looks incredibly modern, but is also super easy to clean. It's perfect for making smaller bathrooms feel more spacious and open, giving you that high-end hotel vibe right at home. Finally, if bold color isn't quite your thing, don't worry. Warm neutrals are having a major moment. But we're not talking about bland beige. Think earthy, calming tones like soft sage green, warm terracotta, and creamy off-whites. These colors create a gentle, inviting atmosphere that feels both modern and timeless. They pair beautifully with natural wood and brass fixtures for a look that's cozy, chic, and effortlessly stylish. So there you have it. From bold jewel tones and textured natural tiles to sleek large formats and warm, earthy neutrals, this year's trends are all about creating a bathroom that truly reflects your personal style. Which trend was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home design inspiration. Right. I'll see you next time.